video of this car I saw today. It's a Carroll Shelby Viper. I've never seen one in person. I won't say much during the video. I'll just point out some of the differences. I've never seen a video of one of these online, so I thought I would capture this moment. I've looked for them, so here's what it is. I did edit around the license plate, and I did touch the car once. I apologize to the owner. Sorry. I was literally trembling looking at the thing. That's why the video is the way it is, shaking. There's Carroll Shelby's signature, number 4 of 50. I did ask. It is a real car. It's not a fake. They didn't make it. It was part of a package deal from a dealership. Friend of Shelby's. It says RT10 and the 2 block letters are CS, the white. I'm sorry, the video's not that great. You'll notice the center in the front, the cross member is cut out. Doesn't have that center section in the grille. It's just hollow for more airflow and probably makes the car a little bit lighter, but negligible. The top looks different too. It looks like it was custom made for that car. Probably one of the first ones. I don't know. It does have a spoiler fin on the back. There's the signature again. There's a small plaque next to the stick shift, the gray up there. It says super tuned. Yeah. And it has the name of the individual that super tunes them as well. There's a missing grill section there. It's about the biggest difference on the car itself. Probably lets in more air for cooling. Does look a little different. I like it. Sorry about the audio. I'm just recording this as a voiceover because I lost the audio, which wasn't that great to begin with, but maybe I'll get creative and put some music in the background, soft. I doubt it. But pretty much, I just stared at it. Burned it into my memory. It stood in awe, pretty much. Never thought I'd actually see one. I haven't seen any videos of them, so this is why I made this. I apologize to the guy who owns the car. He has a very clever license plate. Um, if you want to red flag this, let me know to take it offline. But I apologize if that upsets you. But people should see these things. I mean, if they're interested. The Viper isn't a special enough car. There's there's the plaque. I wish I could get a better shot of that from the inside, but I wasn't going to reach in the car. This is the end of the video where I'm supposed to beg for people to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but I really haven't figured out how to come across to do the whole like share, like, subscribe thing. It just doesn't really work for me. I figure if people want to subscribe to the channel, they will, and if they want to like the videos, they will. And that's it.